Advantages of accounting. Please keep in mind, from now onwards, whenever we use the word accounting, it will mean financial accounting only, because the other branches of accounting, namely cost accounting, management accounting, is beyond our syllabus. Some of the main advantages of accounting are: financial accounting provides financial information about the business to the various users for decision making. But this doesn't mean that it is applicable to only business entities. It is applicable to and is important for all entities, whether business entities or non-business entities. Financial accounting assists management in decision making by providing right information to the right person at the right time, so that right decisions can be taken. Accounting replaces memory. There are numerous transactions and events taking place in any entity. It can run into millions and billions of transactions, and we cannot memorize each and every transaction. So if we record all those transactions and events in a systematic manner in the books of accounts, we can replace our memory, and those books can be referred now as well as in future by all the users, be it internal or external. Accounting facilitates comparative study. One of the qualitative characteristics of accounting is comparability, and accounting makes possible to do comparative study, for example, by inter-firm comparison or intra-firm comparison. We can know the position, the progress, the performance, and the relative status of any entity. Accounting facilitates settlement of tax liabilities. Organizations carry out various transactions and events that has tax implications, and it is their legal, economic, social obligation to discharge their liability and pay the taxes. But the tax amount depends upon various transactions. For example, it can depend upon production, purchase, sales, profits, and all the necessary information relating to the tax calculation is provided by financial accounting. Accounting facilitates loans, borrowings, and other sources of finance. If an organization needs money and wants to borrow from others, whoever lends to them will want to make sure that this organization, this entity is able to return their money or not. And that is what accounting gives information about. Accounting information and accounting records can be used as an evidence in court to prove some obligation, rights, and duties. Particularly, audited accounts are generally used as evidence. Audited means critically examined by some independent expert, and based on such evidence, courts make necessary judgments. Accounting facilitates sale of business. If an organization wants to sell its business to someone, both the buyer and seller would like to make the deal at a reasonable price. But what will be the fair price will depend upon the financial position, financial condition, financial performance of that business, and various assets and liabilities. And accounting provides the necessary information regarding the business. Accounting assists in the event of insolvency. Insolvent is a person or an organization which is not capable of meeting its liabilities. जिनके assets उनकी liabilities से कम हों. That is वो अपनी liabilities को pay off ना कर सकें. This involves various legal proceedings, and this requires the financial position, financial results and condition of business. और ये सब information provide करता है accounting. Accounting is helpful in partnership accounts. In partnership form of business organization, there are two or more partners or owners, and each owner will want to make sure that all accounts are kept correctly and fairly, and that his share has been calculated correctly. Accounting helps a lot in ensuring all this. Accounting is helpful in decision making to all the users, whether internal or external. There can be other advantages of accounting also.